So here's a maybe better view of that mechanism. When you close the breaker, this first lever here, that one there, it basically moves past straight and kind of buckles into place. So when the solenoid kicks, it kind of unbuckles that. Now this coil, it doesn't have that same distortion, and the strap here hasn't become welded to it, but it does have some loose strands. Anyway, let's deconstruct a little bit. Take out the arc baffles and inspect the contacts a little bit. Oh, that got munched. And the moving contact, not much happier. Yeah, this breaker really didn't like the voltage. If you can't take the heat, get out of the iron, or the oven. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Let's pull this whole thing apart. Well, it's lifting up. There's the actuator rod. It's laughing at my attempts to extricate it one-handed.